कि एक तरफ दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री का आवास है जिसके बारे में दुष्प्रचार और झूठा प्रचार भारतीय जनता पार्टी कर रही है, और इसी दिल्ली में देश के राजा नरेंद्र मोदी का राजमहल है।
चुनाव आचार संहिता लगने की इंतजार क्यों कर रहे थे? कल तक तो पीडब्ल्यूडी मंत्री महोदय के हाथ में सब कुछ था। ये लाचारी है या बाजीगरी है?
भारतीय जनता पार्टी चाबी नहीं दे रही। क्यों नहीं दे रही? क्योंकि चाबी खुलते ही ताला नहीं खुलेगा, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की पोल खुल जाएगी। छुप छुप के जो है तीर ना चलाइए, सामने आइए और दोनों ही निवास स्थानों के दर्शन देश की जनता को कराइए।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Savera. This is the Seerat Kaur, and I bring to you Palace Politics. Here we dive into the finger-pointing extravaganza between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Delhi's ex-CM Arvind Kejriwal. It seems politics in Delhi has turned into a high-stakes reality show titled Your Mahal is Better Than Mine. So grab your popcorn as we break it down palace by palace. On January 3rd, PM Modi, while inaugurating development projects in Delhi, took a not-so-subtle dig at former CM Kejriwal. He said, and I quote, "I could have built a sheesh mahal for myself, but homes for the countrymen are more important."
मैं भी कोई शीश महल बना सकता था, लेकिन मेरे लिए तो मेरे देशवासियों को पक्का घर मिले, यही एक सपना था।
Now hold on. Before we unpack that, let's talk about this so-called Raj Mahal. For those unfamiliar, PM Modi's official residence comes with a price tag of 2,700 crore. Yes folks, this is no ordinary Raj Mahal. This sprawling New Delhi estate boasts state-of-the-art facilities. 10 buildings, bulletproof glass, lush gardens, and probably a secret passage or two for chai breaks. And if that wasn't enough, there's an 8,400 crore Air India One jet waiting to whisk him away for global chai pe charchas. Now coming on to Aam Aadmi Party. Ladies and gentlemen, the story gets shinier. Enter Arvind Kejriwal's Sheesh Mahal. What is this Sheesh Mahal, you ask? Well, during his tenure as CM, Kejriwal's official residence underwent renovations costing over 45 crores. Rumors claim the house features Italian marble, glass walls, reflective ceilings, and last but not the least, plush interiors, which make this house sound even more luxurious. Now, back to January 3rd. Modi's Sheesh Mahal remark set the stage for a classic Delhi showdown. Kejriwal fired back at a press conference with a mic-dropping reply. Someone living in a 2,700 crore house and flying in a 8,400 crore airplane has no moral authority to mention Sheesh Mahal.
2700 करोड़ रुपए का अपने लिए घर बनाने वाला, 8400 करोड़ रुपए के हवाई जहाज में घूमने वाला, 10 लाख रुपए के सूट पहनने वाला व्यक्ति, उसके मुंह से शीश महल की बातें अच्छी नहीं लगती।
Now coming on to allegations and promises. Because this battle wasn't just about palaces. Modi flaunted his government's record of building 4 crore homes for the underprivileged.
4 करोड़ से अधिक गरीबों के घर उनका सपना पूरा किया।
While Kejriwal countered these numbers openly, targeting the 2020 manifesto. He accused the BJP of handing over only 4,700 houses out of the promised homes by 2022 and reminded them that Delhi still has 4 lakh chuggis waiting for rehabilitation.
2022 तक दिल्ली में सब लोगों को पक्के मकान दे दिए जाएंगे। 2020 से लेके 2025 तक आज प्रधानमंत्री जी 1700 मकानों की चाबी देके गए हैं।
And just when you thought things couldn't get spicier, January 22nd brought another round. Modi speaking to BJP members labelled Aam Aadmi Party as Aapda, a disaster.
दिल्ली एक बड़ी आपदा से घिरी है। आपदा को नहीं सहेंगे, बदल के रहेंगे।
He accused the party of betraying Purvanchali community and likened the Sheesh Mahal controversy to the height of deceit and hypocrisy. With the upcoming Delhi elections, Modi called on his party to conquer over 50% of booths, promising a developed capital for a developed India. Meanwhile, Kejriwal responded by waiving water bills and rallying behind slum dwellers. So here we are, folks, in the middle of the Mahal versus Mahal saga. Both leaders are busy pointing fingers, and it seems like the only thing shinier than their residences are their accusations. Stay tuned only at The Savera as the elections unfold. Will Delhi pick the Raj Mahal party or the Sheesh Mahal party?